So we are on the Riviera's 58 Sports Motor Yacht. This is a brand new model. We've been waiting for this to arrive in the US, and that is now here in the Miami show debuting. So let's come along and take a look. I love the name, Frankie Girl. And as you know, this is a sports motor yacht, so it is designed to go fishing offshore. So that's why you've got this cockpit set up for exactly that. I believe this is going to be a live well.
Yep.
You've got a refrigerator here.
Looks like a grill over here as well.
Yep.
If I lift this up.
It's going to be heavy.
There we go. Oh no, it's
So
actually
water.
It's actually a freezer.
A big freezer.
Wow.
But you're going to want, you're out fishing.
Yep. And then this is, what is this then over here? Oh, here's your cooking area.
That's cool. Got a grill and a flat top.
Yeah. Perfect.
You just cook up your fresh catch of the day.
Absolutely.
And then up here, what I love is this kind of goes back with that fishing industrial, it's your cup holders, but it is designed, it's very similar to your...
It's a nice little seating area, and I also like the fact that you have a pass-through window here.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And that closes down here.
Yep.
And you're can be completely enclosed, and also notice that you've got bug screens.
Yeah. And a TV in the corner, so you got to still watch the game while you're fishing.
Wow, this is stunning. Look at this galley. So you've got a 3-burner stove, an oven, huge amount of entertainment space. I mean, this is bigger, well, as we know, this is bigger than our... But look at all the storage.
Yep.
Storage. I'm not going to be that person. I know this is a fridge because it's got temperature on it, but I'm not going to be that person.
That's refrigerator, freezer. I mean, there's plenty of places to keep your fish fresh.
Then in here we've got, again, this is a dining area. You can flip this open. You've got people coming on board, just so you know.
There's a ton of space in this area.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Let's go down below.
Okay. Obviously no internal helm.
Very comfortable. I like that there's a handle here.
Okay, so this is all, yes. I like that.
So starting off in our prime V-berth, it has its own ensuite, if you want to go through and check that out.
Again, not your grandpa's fishing boat.
No, this is a stunning boat. Riviera makes top of the line. Over here, we've got twin berths there. Okay. Again, plenty of storage.
Yeah,
look at the size of the hanging locker.
TV on the wall, 2 twin berths. I don't think they slide together. Oh, they probably do slide together. Yeah, I see the tracks in the floor.
And notice that they've got handles right in every spot that you need as well.
And then the day head is right across. Nice shower hall, shower stall. Toilet.
And then notice the handles.
Yep.
And as we move forward to the primary, this is your primary head. Little coffee station here, which is fantastic.
Gotta have your cup of joe before you go fishing.
And I love here, you've got, again, a workstation and a massive bed. I mean, this is bigger than a king, I think.
This is a large bed.
It's huge. Storage all underneath here. And then you've got storage. Look at all this storage. I mean, you don't even need to take that many clothes, but if that's not enough, you have more storage in this walk-in closet. And if you need more clothes, then you can do laundry in the laundry room.
Oh, look at that. And then that leads to the engine.
This leads to the engine room, and you can actually take a peek right in there if you want to take a peek into the engine. So nice, easy access. This is where you would hang your fishing gear.
Yep. I'm sure there's plenty of places to hang your fishing gear.
Yep.
Wow.
And notice these are Miele washer and dryer.
This is beautiful.
Let's go out and check out the bow and then also the Flybridge. So one thing I like about this is they've got both fuel tanks on this side for pumping in. So you got your diesel here, and these are your fuel indicators telling you how full you are. Hopefully, I imagine those are much better than the ones that we've had in our past. Over here, you've got another one. This is probably either for a third tank or for a generator.
Right.
Notice you do have a pilot door as well right here, so that's great. And I like, these are pretty good walkarounds. These are nice and wide and very high handrails.
Yeah, the handrails are very strong, and they're angled out a little bit,
Yeah.
so it gives you a little bit more walking space.
Yep. So up here, it looks like you have plenty of storage. So you've got storage here, cup holders, seating for 10 people. Again, more storage here. You do have your crane up here. That would be for your dinghy. You have behind you your electric anchor windlass and anchor chain lockers here. Hatches, you've got speakers. I don't see foot pedals up here.
They probably have a remote control under one of the
you're probably right.
storage.
Yep.
But yeah, so you could actually store your dinghy right here on the foredeck. Should we go try the
Flybridge?
The Flybridge?
Yeah, let's go do it.
Go ahead.
Again, I like that they've got handles in the exact spots that you need to have handles.
And just look at the finishes, though.
Oh, I mean, everything about Riviera is stunning. Oh, this is not what I was expecting. It's fully enclosed.
Yeah, but you also have the outdoor seating area.
You have an
as well.
outdoor seating area. This again opens up, so you have a pass-through. Very comfortable. You're on your way to the Bahamas. You got a fridge. You've got great visibility.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, this is absolutely...
Yeah, Volvo engines, joystick control for docking.
Fusion stereo.
You have side power thrusters and a Garmin instrument cluster.
Looks like you do have also this closes and opens. So it's fantastic. Get you some extra lighting. And these captain's chairs, you'll notice that they are also electric, so they can go up and down.
Oh yeah. Just beautiful, yeah, beautiful.
But again, I want to really point out one thing that's important to know, especially when you're doing offshore cruising. It's important for just pure safety. So things like this you might not think about, but when you're in rough seas and you need to suddenly grab on, trust me, that happened to me making the crossing, and I fell. And I wish I would have had some of these things to have hung on to.
It's amazing how high we are. Let me see if I can't just show you just through the side windows. I mean, we're towering. I don't know what the height is of the helm station here, but we are way above almost everything
Maybe
else.
Maybe 30 feet?
No, not that tall.
Oh, well, I don't know.
But it's crazy. I mean, we're
as
higher
tall
than most of the tents.
Yeah.
So you'll have great visibility when you're out there on the water. Just as beautiful.
And I like that they put the Riviera stickers here so you don't run through the glass.
That's true too.
That's another thing I would do.
I've done that too many times.
So yeah, this is absolutely a stunning boat. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to leave your comments down below. It was a quick tour, we know, but we're really trying to pound out a few tours for everyone and get through the day for you. So we'll leave a link down below for more information and more videos for you. So please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to ring the notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, everyone.